Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here. So I have some awesome news for you all today. And I know I really haven't talked about this phone here on the channel just yet. I've kind of been trying to stay away from, all the leaks and rumors and stuff because I kind of want to be excited when it comes to the new devices that Samsung is bringing us in these next coming weeks. So really excited for them, but we can actually now go on Samsung's website and reserve the new upcoming Galaxy S devices. And I'll have a link down in the description below in case you want to do that. Get your spot in line so you can be sure that you are going to get a device when they finally come out. And not only that, you'll also get an extra $50 Samsung credit that you can put towards, another product during that pre-order purchase. So definitely a very cool opportunity if you want to be one of the first ones to get your hands on one of those new Galaxy S22 devices. I'm actually really excited to see what they're gonna bring with those phones. Like I said, I've been trying to stay away from the leaks and all that. I mean, I've kind of seen what it's probably going to look like already. Of course, we don't really know what it's going to look like or any of the specs until it officially comes out, that day, but we do kind of know enough to give us kind of an idea of what the device is going to look like and what it's going to bring to the table. And it's pretty much supposed to be like a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and an S21 Ultra just kind of, merged together, and had a baby. At least that's what it looks like to me. It is going to have that shape of, a Galaxy Note device, which I actually like. I like this candy bar shape. I think it's nice. It's going to come with the S Pen. It's going to have a beautiful display. And the back of it almost looks like kind of like the Note 10, I guess you would say, like a Note 10 device, which I actually really like. So I don't know, of course, like I said, we're gonna have to wait till that day to see, how it's really going to look and all the specs and all that, which is why, I don't really talk about it here on the channel. Like I said, I'm waiting. I want to be surprised. But I just wanted to give you all an update and let you know that you can now reserve any one of the new Galaxy S22 devices to come. I'll leave a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and do that yourself. If you did do that, let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you are looking forward to the most when it comes to these new Galaxy S devices. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video, find it helpful, leave it a huge thumbs up. Go share it with your fam, share it with your friends so all of you can make sure you have the new Galaxy S device reserved so you don't miss out. You can be one of the first ones to get it. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.